Okay, y'all. So hopefully you guys can hear me. I'm back and I have my uh, screen up, which I still need to refresh. Let me see if this let me refresh. I need to refresh. Oh my God. All right, this not gonna let me refresh. Goes. Okay, maybe like this. Then go to go. Hopefully we're not missing anything in action right now. Okay, so this is my chart. All right, so as y'all can see, gold has been marked up for a movement to the upside. We had got a break below this trend line I had, like on the very high time frame. It was like the daily or something like that. But it's so interesting. I always say this that my patterns show up in very key areas. And so with this trend line, which I'll show y'all, I had this bad boy marked up. I don't know what indicators these is. Let me hide some of this stuff. Don't need none of that. All right. So I had this trend line, which it was just a little two-touch situation. And then you can see it from the 4 hour. We were getting like some wickage coming outside of that 4 hour trend that had got created off of this pullback from this selling quasi. And then dropping down to the hour. We came all the way down to this low. We broke it. But you can see that quasi be made here. I'm actually going to make it for you guys because I love showing y'all my lovely pattern. And I don't care who says, oh, I don't like trading patterns and stuff like that. They say they don't like trading patterns, but they see them regardless. Everybody sees them no matter what. You trade it or not, is there because the pattern is really breaking structure. That's what it is. It's just, some people like to simplify things, shapes and patterns, numbers, colors, whatever it is, however you trade. I never down talk what anybody uses because as long as it works, baby, and it's paying, then I'm all for it. So y'all see here on the hour, like right at my daily trend line that I had drawn because it was just two touches and it was just there just to be like, hey, it could bounce off of this and continue into that uptrend. I had that trend line there and then it did come out of it. And, I was seeing some, rejections at these lows and stuff like that. Every time it touched, it would bounce, grab some liquidity, bounce, broke structure and pull back. And so this pullback, I guess, is what I seen on the lower time frame, which I'm trying to get this out the way because I am actually in this trade. Have y'all check it. We up there. We up in this stuck, okay? All right, so yeah, we still up. So that was that. So let me go back to Trading View. So let me close this out and get this going. So I had actually, not gonna lie, got into a buy yesterday, but what happened is that yes, I ended up taking a small loss because my quasi pattern that I seen yesterday did not follow through, which was here. And then when New York came, there was another one, which I'm like, okay, well, this is double confirmation, but it really wasn't. It was really, no, ma'am, we not ready. Yesterday, I seen, or what I thought I seen. Well, I seen this, and then I also saw this one, and so I was thinking, okay, well, Asian made this, and it made like a higher high, and pulled back. Oh, actually, that's what happened. Okay, so yesterday I took a small loss because, or not. Well, yeah, a small loss because I stayed in the trade way too long than I should have. There was news, and I thought it was going to go higher like it is doing today when it did this. And so I was up like almost $3,000 on this trade, and then it started to wick down, but I held it. And then I held it too long, and then so I took a small loss. My entry was actually in Asia session, which I normally don't trade, but I saw the opportunity over here, of course, because I was seeing my pattern, and I got in around here. And so when my session came, because I held, the news, I was up significant. So I was thinking in New York, I'm like, oh, okay, we're gonna just pull back and potentially just go right back up, but that was not the case. I took a very small loss. My entry was around here, and my stop loss was so small. It was super small, small loss on that trade or whatever yesterday because I was thinking it was going to shoot up like how it's doing right now. And I'm glad that, I am a day trader because boom, I took a loss on this fine, which I didn't really have to take a loss on. I was really supposed to take profit on it, but I am a real trader and I make real human mistakes. It happens. And my accuracy uh supersedes everything. So small loss one day, I just put the reset in my brain and like, okay, I have another opportunity to make that plus more the next day. So so today I have been making money today on S&P and also on US 30. And I think I traded gold before I took this particular trade, but gold was playing, so I had took my profits on gold. I took my profits on S&P and US 30. They were all just like playing with my emotions. Today I was like, I'm gonna just wait. New York session, as you can see for gold here, wasn't really doing much. I had took a small buy and immediately got out when I saw that the wick action was not when it was not breaking this high right here. I hope y'all can see this. It's a little small. When it wasn't breaking this high here, I took a small loss, not a small loss, a small win, which was fine for me because I do trade this in futures, and these small moves is considerably a lot of money. And so yeah, I just waited for it to pull back more, and just analyzing the market, just trying to see the bigger picture because that's what matters with trading is seeing that bigger picture, what the market could potentially do. And I'm glad that I was here on these charts and I caught this move like out of nowhere. This shot up. I don't even know if it's news, y'all. Let's check if it's news. And this is why news does not always matter. Let me see if we had news just now because it's 2 o'clock and I gotta go. Well, we gotta go get our daughters from the bus in a second. So boom. Oh my gosh. Hold up. We just had 2 p.m. FOMC news, bro. I had no idea. And y'all, I be on my ish when it comes to news. And I can't believe I didn't realize that FOMC was today. I thought it was Friday. Oh my gosh, I'm tripping. So I just caught FOMC, y'all, without even knowing. But the stop loss, y'all see my stop loss? Like y'all see everything on the chart, right? Your waffle? Your daddy bought you a waffle. Hold on. Give me 1 second. Hold on, y'all, real quick. All right, y'all. I'm back. I don't know if y'all heard that in between, but I'll see if I'll cut it out or not if it's in the video. But I had to get my son his food and tell Jarrell to go get the girls. But y'all see, this is crazy. Like I didn't even know that there was news going on. I was just being a little more patient on what I was seeing. Y'all see, I have like these little markings. Like I swear by the trend lines as well. I use a little MACD here and there. The volume kicked in here as soon as I got into this trade. So what I had seen was like this little action right here, like kind of like it broke up, and then I was seeing it when it was pulling back. So I was like, that could be a little break and retest. Then I saw it, and then yeah, I saw it like come up above, hit my little entries, and boom, that volume kicked in, just like that. And that's just the trade. That's it. That's all I got. This is all I teach. Look, I got my TP up here, and this potentially could go even higher. I don't know. I might take this TP. I'll be happy with this TP because um yesterday I was supposed to make around about like 3K, and then I missed out on that I told you guys about. Because I was just like, I guess maybe, yeah, I was just in this trade. Well, no, I wasn't in too early. I told y'all what happened. This little wick action, I held it too long. I didn't take my opportunity and leave, and I'm definitely not gonna do that today. If I see anything happen crazy, I'm not taking no less than a certain amount on this particular trade. But yeah, so I'm super excited because I was just not expecting this, especially on a Wednesday. That's another thing. I usually don't even trade Wednesdays. I traded today. Just, staring at these markets, it definitely gets to you. And I don't know, I was just marking the chart up, and I seized the opportunity when I seen it, and that's what it was. So I hope you guys like this breakdown. I hope I broke it down enough. It's so simple, you guys. It's just the pattern is just what it is. Fibonacci. Let's see how far that this pulled back before I do leave you guys. Ooh, we got a perfect 618 pullback on this trade, and we have hit all the TPs from that pullback alone. There is a major level that I have to get. It's right here. Oh, okay. I got it. I think I got this quasi right here. Let's see. If I pull it down here, wait, is this the one? Hold up, I think this is backwards, shawty. Let's see. No, it's right. It was right. It's just that it seemed like everything was hit. Cause yeah, we had this 38.2. Then we had this pullback. We're looking for like a break of this trend line to the upside. But it's so interesting because it's already pulled up here and wick down. So I feel like, oh, okay, that's why I just had it right here. So on the higher time frame, we're pretty much looking for a TP1 right here. Will I be holding it to there? Probably not, but most definitely will be holding this trade. I'll go ahead and draw my higher time frame trend line to the upside. We'll be holding it, see how it do for the day, because this definitely could turn around. But it's broken it today. It's definitely broken it today, so I can't even draw that bad. There we go. Yeah, it's already broken that bad boy today. So this one is gonna be gone for a little minute. What can I say? I don't know what to say. Yeah, it's just gonna be gone for a minute. So I am going to just move this up a little further, just in case we get some volatility, some more volatility throughout the rest of the afternoon. It's almost market close. Futures, or this account in particular, is going to take me out to trade anyways. Once it um, turns 410. This is one of my newer my newer funded accounts. So ain't that much money in here. But we is gonna bring this bad boy up like my other one. And hopefully I can get you guys some withdrawal videos. And yeah, I hope you guys have a great rest of your trading week, because I don't know if I'm gonna be trading for the rest of the week after this trade. We'll see. Probably not. I like my certain days and my certain times when things set up, and a setup like this is going to me it's gonna be a while before we get another juicy one. So yeah, I can't believe it was FOMC. I'm starting to lose track of time here. But yeah, so I'm just ended there, y'all. I ain't got nothing else to say. It was a good trading day. Hey everyone, so I'm just checking back in. It is getting to the end of the day for the New York session with futures. And yes, I did hold the trade all the way until, close. This is my funded account, so I do have to exit my trades every single day by 4:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And so that's pretty much what I have to do. I did show you guys, or no, actually, I did not show you guys the level on the um, earlier today. So I just wanted to show you guys this level that I seen on the 4 hour. So I have to pull it up here. I showed you guys on TradingView, but I'm just going to show you guys quickly here on my broker. So I have pulled the fib out on this level. It doesn't have my fib levels on here, but I just use it when I'm in a rush. So I had seen a break of structure on this level here on the 4 hour. So originally I had it all the way down here because I was trading this huge quasi here to the upside previously. So that was like a daily quasi pattern that I was trading. But when I'm using the fibs and things have played out, like this already hit this high and extended all the way up here, I do adjust it accordingly. So we had a new high be broken on this level right here. So that was a break. So we started to get that pullback. So now I pulled my fib out to go from this bottom to this top. And so we got about a 88 level pullback, which I am going to go ahead and show you guys on TradingView how that looks on the 4 hour. It's a beautiful candle, you guys, man. It was a great day of trading. So let me pull this down a little bit so y'all can see. And let me take this one off. Oops. Take that one off. So with experience, of course, you will learn how to do this. Lots of fibs and things like that to know where you are. Okay, so not so much of a 88, but a 78.6, which is perfectly fine for a pullback on the higher time frame. So, let me put that back. So we had a pullback to the 78.6, and that's where my hour, or where my quasi, whether you located it on the hour, if you've seen it on the 15-minute. I personally seen it formulating on the 15, as I showed you guys earlier, formulating itself. But on the hour is perfectly fine. You can see it as well. Structure be broken, and then you get that pullback, and then you already have your fib. and then boom. So with that 78.6 level being the pullback, the target for a swing is gonna be crazy, y'all. Is like way up here. So like we're gonna be reaching new highs hopefully in the future. This could take a lot of time to happen. There's gonna be a lot of pullbacks in between this time. But this is the overall target area to start trading, S&P, because it's now showing us buying opportunities again. Of course, we always follow what the market shows us and we trade accordingly. But right now, yeah, we are targeting those buys. So it's 4 p.m. and my trade is a little bit over 4K. So being that I do have you guys on now, I do want you guys to see me go ahead and get out this trade. So I'm going to go ahead and exit. All right. So my order was filled, and you can see I had an overall P&L for the day of almost 5K. So I will call this like a $4,000 day, almost 5K. Yeah. So that's what it is. This is what studying and discipline and determination can bring to your account. A little bit of risk involved, but there's nothing. There's nothing more thrilling for me. It's something that is like a little risky. Like I'm a risk taker, by heart, by DNA, by blood. I'm a risk taker, and I think that's why trading works so well for me, and that I love it so much, and that's just all I think about all the time, and I enjoy what I do. But yeah, so that's the end of my day, you guys. If you have any questions about this trade that I took, more of a breakdown, sometimes I feel like my breakdowns are just so simple, quick to the point, what I'm seeing, that, you may be missing something. If you have any questions of how I'm correlating the time frames together to enter a trade, go ahead and reach out to me. You can drop a comment. You can write me on Instagram at BankHeistSquad if you aren't already following me. And yeah, I'll get back to you when I can. Don't forget to like this video. And if you aren't subscribed already, please subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one.